clearly what you are looking at is the word Jew. J is 10, E is 5, W is 23. Adding the geometry of the word Jew's numerical value is 38. And what you're looking at is the year 2015 embedded inside the calculation, mathematical answer to the word Jew divided by its numerical value. You find the numbers 2105. It's just basically a code for the year 2015. So the word Jew, J is 10. E is 5. You clearly can see when I'm adding the word Jew. The first two letters give you the end part of the year 2015. 1 and 5. So far we have the 5, the 0, the 1. All we need is a 2. Plus the 2 connected to the letter W. Adding the word Jew, you find the numbers 2015. Also, we find all the weeks in the year, 52. How many people know that Jesus was a Jew? Came from the tribe of Judah. And the word Jew is taken from the first two letters, J-U. And clearly, you can make out 2701, which is a whole geometry of Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. Without a doubt, you can make out the year 2015, 2015. So then, adding the 3 to the problem, clearly we get all the years that Jesus lived, 33 years. You get the number 28. It's the number for man. And you still find inside the calculation the year 2015, 2015. Correct? So, I showed you one of my previous videos. You find all the years that Jesus lived, 133, from year 1 to age 33, inside the calculation for the word Jew. Now, I'm going to add the S onto the word Jew. How many people know that the year 2015, 2015 is also the year 5775 for Israel today? So inside the word Jews is the year and the answer. You see 5775. That's a code. Year 2015. The Jews write it 5775. That's how they write it, according to their lunar solar calendar. Taking the word Jew again. J is 10, E is 5, W is 23. S is 19. Take the singular form Jew, put the S on it, that's Jews. You can make out the year. How the Jews write their year for 2015. All the way is written, 5775. Shows an answer. Also, all the years that Abraham lived, 175. If I remove the 19, we get all the years that Isaac lived, 180. If I add back the 19, we get all the years, 127. All the years Sarah lived, we get all the years Abraham lived. Correct. So, taking the word Jew, let's multiply it. Just the word Jew being multiplied. You see, we get J is 10, E is 5, and then the 2 with the W. Clear, we can make out the year 2015. 2015. Clearly make out the year 2015, multiplying the word Jew. And see, we can make out the year 2015, we can make out the number 100, which is rather unique when we say that. Because if we take the word day, D, A, Y, we get 100. And we still make out the year 2015, 2015, in the word day. I'm taking the year 2015, 2 times 10 times 1 times 5. What do we get? 100. 100 meaning a completion, a fullness. We find this in the word Jew. J. Excuse me. J. E. W. We find that in the word Jew. The year 2015. And we add the 3. Do we still find the year 2015? Sure we do. Multiplying the word Jew. Sure we still make out the letters that give us. Still make out the numbers from the letters of the word Jew that gives the year 2015. 2015. 2015. Without a doubt. Now, let's take the word Jew. J is 10, E is 5, W is 23. And we get this numerical value. We call that numerical value, which is 38. Highlight that. Okay. See all the years that Jesus lived, 33 years old. And written over his head in the crucifixion was the inscription written by Pontius Pilate and the Romans, called him the King of the Jews. Now, taking the word Jew as it's written, clearly you can make out 2015 inside the calculation. Correct. Okay. Now, also inside the word Jew, you can make out a 255. 255 is it's the geometry of fallen angels who will be sentenced in 2015. Found when you make a side-by-side composite of the word Jew. Okay, so now we take this number, the numbers for the word Jew, and we divide it by the numerical value, the 38. As I showed you in the beginning of this video. And what do we see? We see a number inside a number. We see the 2105, which is a code for the year 2015. So 2105 is no other than a code for the year 2015. But what a phenomenon about this number 2105. Because I'll tell you, divide that number by this Phoenix number, 430. Let me show you something. 430 times 5 gives us 2150. Amazing enough. Does everybody know what 430 is? All the years, according to Exodus chapter 12, all the years that Israel was in Egypt. And also you see the 400, the 400 years that God told Abraham. That Israel, the Jews, would be 400 years in captivity. But clearly what I'm showing you from this video is that the 430 in 2015 is connected at the word Exodus. That Israel's exodus from Egypt is connected to the day of judgment, when the 255 will have to make their exodus from the earth, cast out of the earth, symbolic to Egypt. And also a reference to the 1440, the 144,000. Who will be redeemed from the earth this year. No wonder 430 times 5 is 2150. And no wonder 430 is a Phoenix number. And the year 2015 is a Phoenix number. And the number 430 is a Phoenix number. And what's the connection? 2015. Taking 2015 and dividing it by 430, all the years that Israel was in Egypt before they left Egypt on Passover. Clearly, one can make out 144,000. 144,000. When you take 2015 divided by all the years that the Jews, Israelites, was in captivity in Egypt, you come back with the numbers 144,000. And you also find the 666, Revelation 13:18. So what is the connection? To the year 2015 in the Exodus, the 144,000. I showed you this calculation. Who would be making the Exodus? 144,000. That I'm referencing to is this number 144,000. Here is a part of the video where I'm going to show you where taking the 430 years that the Jews was in captivity, Israelites were in captivity in Egypt, and dividing the year 2015 by the 430 years of captivity. I want to show you evenly how all the numbers fit, tie into the year 2015, the 144,000. 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Clearly, 144,000 ties into 2015. Bless, bless.